Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your domain to Squarespace. First, decide if you want to connect an existing domain or transfer its registration. Connecting a custom domain is vital for a professional online presence and easy brand recognition. We will explore both methods, providing clear, actionable steps. This guide ensures your website is accessible and looks polished, helping you establish your unique online identity effectively and efficiently. To connect a third-party domain, begin by logging into your domain provider's account and finding your domain's DNS settings. You will need to update the CNAME record for www to point to Squarespace and add 4 records with specific IP addresses provided by Squarespace. This process tells the internet where to find your website. Remember, it can take up to 48 hours for these DNS changes to fully propagate globally, so patience is key. If you prefer to manage everything in one place, transferring your domain to Squarespace is a great option. First, confirm your domain has been registered for at least 60 days and is unlocked with your current provider. Next, obtain the authorization code, sometimes called an EPP code or transfer key, from them. Then, in your Squarespace account, navigate to the Domains panel to initiate the transfer, entering your authorization code when prompted. Transfers typically complete within 7 to 15 days. After connecting or transferring, always verify your domain's status in the Squarespace Domains panel. If your site isn't live after 48 hours, carefully check your DNS settings for any typos or missing records. Common issues include incorrect CNAME or records. If problems persist, try disconnecting and reconnecting your domain or clear your browser's cache. For complex issues, reach out to Squarespace support or your domain provider. They are ready to help you resolve any lingering connection challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.